is early morning beach. So it is almost 1.5 days now. So I haven't entered into the beach, into the sea, Pacific. So I will do it today around planning to do it around 12 o'clock because during that time the sun is hot, bright, shining and water.
Head northwest toward Kalakaua Avenue.
So I am planning to do that. But these people are enjoying beach since morning because these people might be here for maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. So they might have visited all the places. So first my aim to visit entire Waikiki city outskirts by using the trolley, Waikiki trolley. Then I will come to the beach. Then I will enter into the beach. So this is the plan. So you can see people are enjoying. Even small kids, they are using surfboards. I can see far away from here. So there are rental rides lessons. It will be very expensive here. So I don't want to take any lesson here. We have surfboards and snorkeling kits in our hostel. So I take them and come here and I just do surfing. So let me see how it goes. So these are different hotels in Waikiki city. So early in the morning, like 9 o'clock, people are busy going to offices, going to sea. Different people are doing different things. So you can see these are big hotels. So that road goes to my hostel and the beach, the popular beach here. So we can see so many people always on the beach, especially in the morning and evening, even during the lunch hours. Because lunch hours it looks beautiful with bright sunshine and turquoise color water. So yeah, this is Waikiki road, Waikiki main road. So there are several roads. So now I am looking for a restaurant for my breakfast. So I found one Burger King, like yesterday I saw one Burger King. I am just checking if it is on this road. If I can find it, so I will go and have my breakfast on onion rings in Burger King. So yesterday and day before yesterday I had onion rings in Denny's. They are expensive and they are not good. So they are very expensive, like $7. Sorry, $5. So onion rings in Burger King is, they are very good. So that's why I am just searching for it. This is International Marketplace and the Target is there, and you can see Tesla showroom. So very popular and very fast growing cars because they are electric. So you can see all different shops, hotels, so everything. Yeah, high end. It is high end, very high end. So it is. So you can see another tour. So tour around Oahu, this island. So it might be very expensive. They are also doing Pearl Harbor tours. So yesterday I heard that from my flatmate, we can go Pearl Harbor using local bus. So tomorrow I will see. I will take a bus pass, day pass for $9.50. Then it is valid for 24 hours. So otherwise I will take today only because it is valid for 24 hours. Then I try to go to Pearl Harbor if possible tomorrow, because my flight is at 10 o'clock in the night. So even if I reach 8 p.m., 8:15 p.m. at the airport, so that is enough. From here it takes 1 hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So I have to leave around like 6:30, 6:45. So then I will be fine, because tomorrow is the evening, night. So there won't be much traffic on the roads. And I am going towards airport. I think it is a opposite road. I am going opposite direction. So I am going from city to, I think tomorrow is 7 o'clock. That's fine. One bus driver told me. So no need to worry about the traffic. So see how beautiful Waikiki looks. Yeah. People think that it is very expensive. No, it is not expensive. I took a hostel, decent hostel. You can see in my videos, it is only $50 per night. Yeah, food is expensive, but we have to find out the reasonable hotel restaurants. But anyhow, if you are two persons, it is not expensive. We can share food. But one person, like they give you like biryani, big portion. So if you can't complete it, just we can take them in to-go box. Here they say to-go box. They will give you to-go box in restaurant. Just pack it and eat it in the dinner during dinner. So yesterday I have done same thing. So I couldn't complete the biryani. It's a big portion. So I took in to-go box and I had it in the dinner. So I didn't waste it. So even I could save some money for my dinner. So you can always do that. Even if you order roti, naan, curry, so you can always pack. They will give you 1, 2 or 3 boxes, no problem, with silver foil. So always make sure you pack it in silver foil. Otherwise Indian food, it will leak. So yesterday same thing happened with me, but luckily it didn't stay in my bag. So other things, but we have to always pack it in silver foil. So now I am looking for a Burger King. Google says that it is 400 kilometers away. So I am going to Burger King to have my breakfast. Then I will come to this trolley bus stop, and then I take red route today. It's a beautiful morning. So it is pleasure to walk in these trees in Waikiki city. So that's why I couldn't resist, not recording the video. So I'm just continuing. So this is never-ending beauty of Waikiki. So it is, even if you record for hours together, so there are so many things to record and show to people. See how beautiful is a small kiosk. So everything looks like Italian ice cream. So you can see Louis Vuitton. I'm almost, I'm almost close to Burger King. It is only 200 meters from now. So I have to cross this pedestrian crossing. You can see beautiful buildings there. I don't know, you can see top of the building, the tower is different. So from road it will look very nice, but when we go up, really up, so we can't really enjoy it. Like that's what happened with us in Singapore, that MBS. So from downstairs, like from road, it looks beautiful, but when we go up, so we can't appreciate, like we can't see the building. So Marina Bay Sands, yeah, MBS. From road level, it looks beautiful, awesome. But when you take ticket and go up, so you can't see it. So it's a different. Just you see the cars, roads, other things. So this guy is washing the floor, so with a machine. So no dust, still he is washing. So that type of care they take. So there are also tours to Pearl Harbor. You can see Prada, Diesel, all luxury brands. You can see Hard Rock Cafe. Excellent. You see the design is awesome. Yesterday I wanted to shoot from bus, but immediately bus started. So that moment I have realized I have to take a photo, but bus already started. So now I can see today same Hard Rock Cafe. See how beautiful it is. Excellent. Yeah, now I can see Burger King. Luckily it is only 300 meters from bus stop, that trolley bus stop. So I can come here and eat onion rings or fries. Finally, Burger King, my favorite fast food joint. Sorry. I love Burger King because of onion rings.